Stuck on the market? It's not a budget drought. It is your price point. Forget Mirage. Your unsold house isn't an oasis on the market void. Even the limited option, it might be you asking price turning buyer into turmoil. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz Marshall, your local real estate broker licensed in the state of Oregon with Premier Property Group. Higher mortgage rates have pinched wallets, making today's buyer laser focused on value. Ignoring this reality with the inflate price tag is like offering sand as refreshment under the desert sun. Buyer will simply move on. Yes, you deserve top dollar for your belong home. And emotions have no place in the market analysis. You need to realistically price based on data, no memories. A local real estate agent like me in your oasis can guide you using neighborhood comps, market trends, and buyer behavior to pinpoint the sweet spot that attracts buyers. Offers no crickets. Stay informed on the latest real estate news and tips by subscribing on my channel. Instead of waiting for the lucky strike, adjust your price to where the oasis meet the sand. With expertise, data, and market knowledge, I help you to strike your balance, maximizing your return while respecting current realities. The market may be thirsty, but overprice your home won't quench it. Ditch the desert flowers fantasy and let the professional guide you to a price that refreshes buyer and seal the deal. Also, don't forget to send me your questions on the comment and let me know what other topic you would like to know more about it. Till next time, bye.